Sophie, what are you doing?
I'm getting ready to go car shopping. I need to be protected from all the germs and viruses.
Why don't you just use Metro Nissan's Diamond Lane service instead?
What do you mean?
It's a new car buying experience where the entire process is online. You can select your vehicle, determine your credit, and configure your monthly payments based on your needs.
Yeah, but what if I have a trade-in?
That's easy. They give you a free appraisal online, and it's known for being more than fair.
So, how do I get my vehicle?
When you find the deal that's just right for you, we can go pick it up, or have it delivered straight to your driveway.
Wait, so then I won't have to talk to one of them? Because you know that's how germs are spread.
No, Sophie, there's no need to talk to them. They made Diamond Lane to cut out the normal stress you feel from car shopping, and now we can do the entire process online from any device.
Awesome! Let me get started.
Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, when you use our Diamond Lane service, you can easily be pre-qualified for a Nissan lease or loan for a new vehicle. Check out our entire inventory of new and used vehicles and get pre-approved online. Your information is always safe and secure.